What's going on, everybody? Tyler and Cheyenne here, and behind us we got Josh and Cole, the Colorado Fishing Adventure boys. So they drove all the way up here to Glenwood Springs, Colorado. They were just actually out in Newcastle. You'll probably see that footage on their channel. I'll link that up above, and I'll leave that in the description as well. But we're just gonna be fishing this area. Make sure to definitely check out their video though. They're gonna be here all day until nightfall. Me and Cheyenne are just joining them for the late morning and afternoon bite. But we're at the wave right now. The water's actually finally cleared up. This is the clearest I've seen the water here on the Colorado probably since winter or early spring. Water's gonna be really cold because we're reaching that late fall point. As you saw last week, we were up in the mountains and it's winter time up there and it was cold. So I'll stop talking, let's get after some fish.
Oh, looks like Cheyenne's on.
All right. Nice. Good job.
And version 2?
Version 2. Cheyenne with about a 14, 15-inch brown. It's a little dark in here, guys, but hope you guys can get at least see it. I tilted upside down. Like, yeah, there you go. There we go. Awesome.
Pretty.
Nice first catch. Yay.
Skunks out?
Yeah, skunk's out. I gotta go get my skunk out.
There we go. Ooh, nice. Ooh. God, he bounced it. I hit the bottom. Look at those weeds. I hit the bottom and yanked it right off and he nailed it. Oh yeah, that's a nice fatty brown. Okay, the browns are definitely coming to play right now. It's fun. My first fish of the day, a nice brownie. See you, buddy.
Cheyenne's on again. Oh, that's a nice one.
He sees it, he's like, nope.
Careful.
Yep. I'm letting him do his thing.
All right, Cheyenne slaying as normal. I got a nice brown up there. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a nice fat one. Jeez. Look at that, you guys. A nice fat one. Probably about a 15. Here you go.
Ooh, there he went.
Oh, and he's gone.
He's gone. I'm glad you got a good picture.
All right.
Nice.
Nice.
Thanks, honey.
Oh, there he is.
You lost.
Oh. He swam. He just swam right back up. All right, well, there he is. And there he goes.
He was a jumper, man.
Got one of you guys. It's not a very big one, but I got one. All right, everybody, here's my little rainbow. Saw a little hard fighting guy. Sort of like we did with Drew several weeks back. Kind of just gonna be giving these guys the whole tour of things. Just kind of hit the wave. Unfortunately, no luck for them here, but we're gonna get them into some fish, don't worry. So we're gonna head to the fork now, some gold medal water, hit that up and probably work down to the confluence. So yeah, we'll see you guys over there. Here on the fork now, gold medal water. Cole's making his way down there. We got Josh right here hitting this little hole. Cheyenne and I are gonna be getting our lines in the water here soon. I just gotta go grab my net from the car. Let's see if we can get these guys in some fish.
Got one. That was awesome, you guys. Got to see him come up and take it. Woo! Woo! Yes. Oh, I knew there was gonna be fish here. Last time that I tried to get over to the spot, the water was way higher and I ate it. So I'm happy to finally get over here and fish this little run. It's so cool. The water is so clear, you guys. I got to see him come up and take it. Oh, that was so sweet. Here it is. That is a beautiful fish. Woo. All right, you guys, I am on. I was surprised that no one was getting any over here. I'm like, there's always some tucked in the rocks. It's either a rainbow or a cutbow. Maybe she's fighting. God, with this water being so clear, I've been able to watch the fight the whole way. Oh yeah. Woo! Nice cut bow. Look at that slash.
Oh, that was cool.
Oh, well, there it goes, guys. I was gonna try to do it underwater for you, but. All right, well, that's spot 2, everybody. I got a couple. Josh got a whole bunch of chases, couldn't get any of them to commit though. So we're gonna go to another spot now in a different town, trying to get these guys some big fish. So stay tuned, guys. Wish us luck. Oh, that wasn't very smooth. Whoa, Jesus, this clay is slippery. The baby trout right there. All right, everybody, we are in the next spot. Is that a fish? Oh, well, Cole's got the smallest fish, I think, ever. All right, I'm getting some hits. Oh, I'm getting some bites. All right, you guys, so I'm seeing some fish rise around me. I've been getting a couple hits. Oh, there's another one that just rose right there. It's tiny though. I can still, oh, there's another one that just rose. There's another one. Yep, got one. All right, we are on. I don't think it's very big, you guys, but I got one. I'm seeing little rises everywhere. Oh, this isn't bad. Yeah. Oh yeah, he smashed this thing. Oh yeah. All right, here it is, everybody. Solid cutbow. Oh my God, he's got another little one. Well, me and Cole is doubled up.
Yeah.
About the same size. You could eat that guy.
Yeah, you can eat it.
Jeez, this water's cold too. There it goes, sweet. Oh, went to the weeds. Yep. Up. Oh my God. If you guys can bear the cold, you guys gotta get out here, dude. Yep. I'm telling you, dude, it's like every cast. Dude, it's like every cast. With all these little ones around, dude, they're just smashing this HD out here. Just super twitching it. Yeah. Yeah, nice, there it is. Josh, come take this rock. Nice, dude, Cole's on. There we go. And he's not on with a little hatchling either. I think so. Oh, geez. It's a pretty one, dude. Yeah, it might be a cutthroat.
Is it actually?
It might be. That thing looks nice.
That's a cutthroat.
Yeah, dude, I think it is. Yeah, dude, sweet. Wow. That's a nice one.
That is beautiful.
Woo! Dude, that is, oh my God. That's beautiful. That is a beautiful fish, dude.
Let's go.
That's some nice fins. Oh my God. That is nice, dude. That is a great fish.
Can you get a picture?
That's a great fish, dude.
Wow.
Oh my God.
That's incredible.
Wow.
Wow, that's easily the most beautiful fish of the day, easily. Shoot, nice. Yeah.
Wow.
Yep. This is a better one. All right, well, I think we got one of the bigger fish of the day so far. Let's see if I can land it. It feels a lot heavier than normal. Oh God. Jesus, what is it? No, he's right in that current, just trying to sit down in it. He's head shaking like crazy. All right, he's starting to get a little bit more tired. He's starting to come over there, but he's probably a little left of you, so you're good. He's coming back. Jeez. So guys, either I have something really big or I have something foul hook that's medium sized, either way. Oh shoot, I think a trap just came out. He's there, so I think one of the traps just popped off though. I haven't even seen it yet. I'm gonna work him over to some calmer current because this thing is not giving up. Come on. All right, he's getting closer. I still haven't seen it. I think it's medium sized and foul hooked. That's a good one. Jesus. Why is that thing fighting? Nice. Jeez. Thing's just fat. Oh, I foul hooked him under the mouth. That's why. Okay, so it's like a medium big size fish, good size fish, and I got him foul hooked there on the bottom fin. All right, nice. All right, everybody, that does it for us. It was a great time out in the water. Kind of a little bit of a grinder, but you know, it was still fun regardless. Make sure you guys go check out their channel though to see the footage from their point of view. They did some fishing prior to us getting here. They're gonna do a little bit more fishing after us. So, and yeah, I mean, they're catching some good sized fish as well. More fun stuff on their channel, more fun stuff for us to come to. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hit the buttons. And until next time, you guys, Team COFF signing out.